This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, January 31st. Stock index futures were a little bit lower in the overnight trade, but are now higher in response to economic reports that have come in showing the U.S. economy may be a little softer than some had anticipated. Also, we had the employment cost index coming in only up 1% compared to the estimate of up 1.1%. That suggests that the Fed may not need to be quite as hawkish. Plus, we did have a couple of other reports. That was the Chicago PMI and the January Consumer Confidence Index, both coming in weaker. So prospects of maybe a less aggressive Fed supporting stock index futures. Of course, the main focus is this week is the Fed meeting. It's a two-day meeting starting today. Nothing really happening as far as we're concerned today, but tomorrow we'll get a statement from the Fed, and that will be followed by a press conference from Fed Chair Powell. Overall, stock index futures are performing well for the news. Currency markets seeing the dollar index a little bit higher in the overnight trade, but giving back a lot of the gains with these three economic reports that did come a little softer, which apparently will have some influence on what the Fed may do. Still thinking the dollar index will probably trade in a fairly narrow trading range as interest rate differential expectations remain neutral. Also still thinking there are better opportunities in the interest rate futures markets as the U.S. economy slows. That would be very supportive to the credit market futures. The lows, I believe, are in, and any breaks that we do see in the credit markets across the yield curve should be used as buying opportunities. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.